Now, the purpose of this video is both to promote the award in advance of the application deadline, but also offer basic guidelines for anyone eligible to enter. As we judge the entries on photographic evidence alone, it's very important that the best photographs are submitted to us. It's not so much a fancy photographic setting, although a plain backdrop is preferred, but it's photographs that tell us what we need to know. Apart from the general shots from different angles, we need close-ups of important constructional details taken in good light and the correct exposure. If, for instance, an entry is a chair design, we need to arrive at a decision regarding the chair's likely comfort and strength. And this is just from a photograph, so it's imperative that one of the shots is a direct side profile. We can't just take your word for it that it's comfortable. Also, the kind of detail we're looking for, and in which Alan indeed would have looked for, is the quality of construction that's hidden, such as underneath or behind the piece. A good example in Alan's work was the stout reinforcement of edge jointing boards, not relying on glue alone. The choice of materials and balance between hand skill processes and machining is of course a consideration, but the emphasis has to be on a high degree of hand skill. But of course Alan Peters embraced machines, as we all do. Perhaps the words of the pioneer of the arts and crafts movement, William Morris, still hold true. Let us be masters of machines, not their slaves. As judges, we are looking for innovation, and that's something Alan Peters would have really encouraged, and a good overall mix of excellence in craftsmanship with the piece saying something new. What is very important, and part of my request that you share this video with anyone you feel might be eligible and interested in applying for the award, is to plan well in advance for the application deadline. And last but not least, please read the application form carefully. And good luck in joining some outstanding past winners.